Right, S5, we are going to evaluate natural logarithms, and I think that you will, if not enjoy it, appreciate it, or vice versa. And so the thing to know about natural logs is if you have a natural log e, and this is automatically an e right there, but basically natural log e. If you have natural log e, it will equal 1, or they cancel each other out. Basically, they undo each other. They're inverses of each other. And so that's the thing to remember for today's lesson. So if we have natural log e over 9, then if we're evaluating, then it's just going to be 1 over 9. That does not reduce, so that's going to be your answer. Okay. Now, before we evaluate something like this, yes, natural log e equals 1, but we can't evaluate it yet because the 5 is there, or they cancel out and your answer is 5. There's another way of me explaining it, but we haven't got to that property yet. So just, if you can just think that natural log e cancels each other out, then that will be fine and dandy. On this one, natural log e cancels out, so you're left with 9. And now we're going to use a calculator. So on these, the natural log button, here's the second button, the green button. Underneath it is log, and underneath it is natural log. So just go natural log 620 equals, and it's 6 point. So this is 6.429719, on and on and on, and we're on to the nearest thousandth. So 1, 2, 3. So we look at the fourth number. We didn't need those, and the 7 is bigger, is 5 or bigger, so it does change the 9 to a 10. So 6.430. Okay. If the 4 wasn't here, what would your answer be? Well, those would cancel out, and you'd be left with 6, right? But the 4 is there, so this would be 6 over 4, and reduce it and get 3 over 2. If the 7 wasn't there, what would the answer be? 2. But the 7 is there, so we'll multiply 7 and 2 and get 14. Now we're rounding again. So natural log 8.6 equals 2.15176. 1, 2, 3. Is the 7 going to change the 1? Yes. So 2.152. If you're using an iPhone, again, turn it sideways, and again, it is backwards. So you put 8.6 in first, and then the natural log button is right next to the log button. And so you hit natural log, do not press enter, and you get the same answer. That's it.